Your subwoofer's dream daddy. Taramps Smart 3 Bass. 3K watts of face melting boom from 0.5 to 2 ohms. Ever feel like your subwoofer setup is straight up ghosting your bass dreams? You pour your soul and paycheck into your ride's audio, only to end up with weak sauce rumbles that sound more like a hiccup than a boom. Bad wiring, wimpy amps, mismatched ohms, you're stuck in an endless loop of blown speakers, fried circuits, and bass lines that whisper instead of roar. Tuning your system becomes a second job. It's frustrating, overwhelming, and frankly, it kills the vibe. You need an amp that doesn't just keep up, it dominates. Because life's too short for weak bass. Now crank that problem up to 11. You keep trying different amps, each one promising the world and delivering static. You're juggling wiring charts like you're studying for a subwoofer final exam. The output's inconsistent, the clips are real, and let's not even talk about the voltage drop drama. You're wasting hours tweaking, reconfiguring, troubleshooting, just to make your system sound halfway decent. Burnout hits, motivation dips, and the thrill of car audio fades fast. It's not just an audio issue, it's a full-blown obsession gone wrong. You need a game changer, not another overhyped disappointment. Enter the Taramps Smart 3 Bass, the ultimate one-channel beast with multi-impedance mastery that shreds every roadblock between you and audio nirvana. This digital Class D monoblock amplifier delivers a full-throttle 3000 watt RMS at any impedance between 0.5 and 2 ohms, no matching headaches, no guesswork. The power control system? It's like having a genius engineer riding shotgun, constantly optimizing your sub's output for pure, clean, face-slapping bass. Clip monitor output? Yup. Support for 1 AWG power cables? Absolutely. Bass boost? You better believe it. With Taramps, you're not upgrading, you're unleashing. Get ready for a system that just works, no tweaking, no voltage tantrums, no blown drivers. The Smart 3 Bass amplifier is built for relentless performance and serious output. Its built-in protection system guards against voltage fluctuations, short circuits, and thermal overload, giving you peace of mind while you rattle rooftops. You'll experience instant upgrades in clarity, volume, and consistency, whether you're cruising or competing. Level up your audio game and focus on what matters, pure bass domination. Streamlined setup. Precision controls. Clean signal delivery. Every drop of wattage counts, and this monster delivers. Why are you still reading and not clicking add to cart? This isn't just an amp, it's a revolution in your trunk. Stop babying your bass and start bulldozing every frequency obstacle in your path. The Smart 3 Bass isn't a maybe, it's a must-have for anyone serious about subwoofer supremacy. Taramps doesn't play fair. They play loud. Seize the sound you deserve. Lock in your amp today, before someone else with better taste in bass beats you to it.